Good morning to all of the beautiful people present here. This is one moment in my life where I'd love to thank my parents for all the things that they have done and have always unconsciously did in all the years and coming years too. Dear Mom and Dad, I am your beloved daughter who still keeps wandering around in the house, thinking I am 4 years old and you will stop me from breaking things. I love both of you with all my heart and soul. This is me, your carbon copy, trying to do everything with your help and guidance at each small step towards success. We all believe that parents are like gods, but here I would love to confirm that they indeed one in our lives, of their children's lives, providing food, shelter, guidance, and everything that they could, from first birth into this world, to making sure we don't fall at any point of our lives. This is all just to make sure we live life more and be happy. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Without you both still holding my hands before I came to this stage, I have not been able to make this happen. You are the foundation stone to each step I've taken in my life. We often forget our parents' contribution when any of success in our lives, no matter what the field is. But if you look back, we all realize that it was our parents who never held us back from doing our hearts, from making mistakes. We know the truth of life long before we do. So that is why sometimes they say, I've given birth to you. I know it better. And we understand that we should always listen to them at any difficult situation. We all love our parents, but we often forget to tell them how grateful we are, or in this first place that we love them. So I am here telling my dearest parents that I love you both, and I have not asked anything more than you two beautiful people in my life, giving birth and nurturing me into this person I am today. I am thankful for each and everything you taught me, give me. I wish I never lose you both. At last, I'd like to recite a beautiful line for my dearest friends. This world means nothing without you, but this world means everything when I see you. I hope I bring peace, health, and happiness to our lives and never disappoint you. Thank you.